Imagine the mind as a projector that can place experience anywhere, from the cool skin of a doorknob to the horizon of infinity. The sequence that follows tests that reach, starting with simple touch and ending where numbers run out. Start physically. Walk the room and brush several objects. Notice the sudden urge to pull away. Touch again, linger a heartbeat, and choose when to release. That tiny pause proves reflex can be replaced by deliberate presence. Now touch with imagination. With eyes open, extend awareness to a chosen object. Feel the same flicker of resistance, then stay until calm. Alternate physical and mental contact until intention travels smoothly through either channel. Next, practice occlusion. Picture a soft wave of blackness smothering an object, then lifting away. Repeat with eyes closed. Scale up, blanket an entire city in darkness. Clear it and observe how willingly contrast obeys attention. Build intricacy. Visualize a richly detailed building, stone grain, glass reflections, echoing halls. When it feels tangible, erase it and craft two more. If release sticks, duplicate the structure until surplus makes discarding easy. Meet infinity. Suspend a pale road in empty space and stretch it endlessly both ways. Plant mile markers 0, 1, 2. Jump to 100, then 14,000. Then drift behind 0 into negatives. Notice how effortlessly the mind spans endlessness. Shift to texture. Form one grain of sand, then a dozen. Multiply them into a patch, a beach, an unbroken coast. Sample distant stretches until continuity feels unquestionable. Back in the room, choose an object and clone it, each copy offset a fingertip's breadth, forming a shimmering column that recedes forever. Dissolve the array. Repeat with something new until summoning and dismissing infinitudes becomes casual. Finally, ask an object, who shaped you? And listen for faint impressions, designers, owners, moments of admiration. Acknowledge each whisper and let it fade. The aim is not answers, but sensitivity to the intentions woven through form. These drills teach attention to create, hold, and release. Practice them, and reality grows lighter, more pliable, and unmistakably linked to the craftsman behind the lens, you.